So what do you do when you're stressed out? I do things like this. Just look at nature, get into nature. Bring nature to you. Because that's all we can do. These didn't get planted for a while, so they're not very big like I had last year because I wasn't here the whole season. This is what I do to make me feel human and get in touch with nature, because that's the only thing we can do. I've been growing that thing. It's a spider plant from a dead leaf piece for about 2 years. And this thing just keeps creating more and more of those spider plants, I think. But if you can focus on the Lord now and the things of heaven instead of this place, because this place is not our home. I mean, each moment of every day is proving more and more that this place is not our home. Can you see the division going on? Can you see the clear dividing, the nonsense that people are just grasping at straws at this point? Just remember, our weapons are not of carnality. They are of power and of a sound mind, and of patience and peace and love and hope and joy. And do everything to stand and tell the truth no matter what, because that's all we got here. Much love.